Hello students, let us continue the session on arithmetic progression. In our previous session, we had solved exercise 5.2 first question. We shall continue with the second question. The question is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First one in that 30th term of EP 10, 7, 4 and so on is, we need to find out from these four options. For that, let me find with the given A value is 10 here and the common difference is second term minus the first term, it is negative 3, and the number of terms is 30 because we have to find 30th term. So I know the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a30 will be equal to a plus 29d. Let me substitute a value 10 plus 29 times of d is negative 3. So we get it as 10 minus 87, which is negative 77. So the right option is option C. This is for the first one. For the second, we have to find 11th term, so n value is 11. The first term is negative 3. So common difference is second term minus the first term. We get it as 5 by 2. So A11, directly I will use the formula a plus 10d. So A11 will be equal to negative 3 plus 10 times of 5 by 2. So 25 minus 3 is 22. The right option is option B. Let us solve the next question. Question number 3. In the following arithmetic progressions, find the missing term in the boxes. In the first one, the first term is known. The second term we need to find it out. And 26 is the third term. So let me solve it here. First term is known, it is 2. Second term we need to find it. Third term is 26. Since they have given it is an arithmetic progression, I can use this formula a3. The third term is a plus n minus 1, which is 2 times of d. So I'll get 26 equal to, the first term is a, which is 2 plus 2 times of d. So I can find the common difference. So 24 divided by 2 will be the value of d. So d becomes 12. Once the value of d is known, I can find the second term. A2 will be a1 plus d, which is 2 plus 12, nothing but 14. So the first blank is 14. Let me take up the second question. First term I need to find it. Second term is 13. Fourth term is 3. And third term also I need to find. Let me use a2, which is the second term. It is a plus d, and a plus d is 13. Let me use a4, fourth term, which is a plus 3d, that is 3. With these two equations, I can find the value of a and d. Let me name this as equation 1. Let me name this as equation 2. If I do equation 1, sorry, equation 2 minus equation 1, I'll be getting a cancelled. I'll be getting 2 times of d equal to negative 10. D value is negative 5. So the first term can be found as the second term minus the common difference, 13 minus of minus 5, which is 18. And I can find the third term, which is second term plus the common difference. Here the second term is 13 plus the common difference. We get it as 8. So the third term is 8 and the first term is 18. You can see there is a decrease. It is in decreasing order. Each time there is a difference of negative 5. Let me solve the third question now. They have given the first term. I'll just mention it as a value is 5. Second term I need to find it out. Third term also I need to find it out. And the fourth term is given as 9.5. 9.5 can be written as 19 by 2. Alright. I know A4 is a plus 3d. A value is known, so it is 5 plus 3 times of d equal to 19 by 2. I can find 3d as 19 by 2 minus 5. We get it as 9 by 2. So d value is 9 by 2 times of 3. So we get it as 3 by 2. Therefore the second term is a plus d, nothing but 5 added to 3 by 2, 13 by 2, same as 6.5. And I need to find the third term. Third term is a plus 2d. A value is 5. 2 times of 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. I'll be getting 8. Therefore, the second term is 6.5 and the third term is 8. Let me solve the fourth question here. In the fourth one, we need to find 4 blanks. The value of first term is negative 4 and the sixth term, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term is 6. If I use A6 as a plus 5d, I'll be getting negative 4 plus 5 times of d equal to 6. So d value I can find. D value will be 10 by 5, nothing but 2. Now I can find second term. Second term is a plus d. So I'll get minus 4 added to 2, nothing but minus 2. Third term is a plus 2d. I'll get negative 4 plus positive 4. It gets cancelled, we get 0. Fourth term is third term added to d. So a3 plus 2. We get it as 2. Fifth term is the fourth term plus common difference. So 2 plus 2, nothing but 4. So the sequence becomes minus 4, then minus 2, then 0, positive 2, positive 4, then is positive 6. So in this case, the common difference is 2. Let us solve the fifth question. First term we need to find it out. They have given the second term as 38. This is third, fourth, fifth. So third, fourth, fifth. All the four terms we need to find. They have given the sixth term as negative 22. Here if you observe, we get simultaneous equation. If a2 is equal to 38, we get a plus d equal to 38. a6 equal to minus 22. This implies a plus 5d equal to negative 22. These are the two equations. Let me name this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Suppose if I do equation 2 minus equation 1, a get cancelled, we will be getting 4 times of d equal to minus 22 minus 38. So d will be negative 60 by 4, negative 15. Now with this I can find out the first term. First term will be second term minus the common difference. So I'll get it as 38 minus of minus 15, 53. Third term is a plus 2d. So 53 is the first term plus 2 times of negative 15. We get it as 23. a4 is a plus 3d. So 53 added to 3 times of negative 15, it becomes 8. Fifth term is a plus 4d. We get 53 plus 4 times of negative 15, which is negative 7. So these blanks, first term is first term is 53, the second term is 38, the next term is minus 15. If you do, we get it as 23. Next one is 8, next to that is negative 7, to that minus 15. If you do, minus 22 we get. This will be the arithmetic progression. Let us solve the next question. Question 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 78? Here the first term is given as 3. Common difference I can find it out. It is second term minus the first term, nothing but 5. We need to find the value of n, and they have given nth term. Nth term is 78. I know the formula an is a plus n minus 1 time of d. Here I need to substitute 78, which is equal to first term plus n minus 1 time of d is 5. Let me simplify in this manner. I'll transpose this 3 to the other side. I'll be getting n minus 1 into 5 equal to 75. So n minus 1 will be equal to 75 divided by 5. We get it as 15. So n minus 1 is 15. N value is 16. So I can conclude that 16th term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13 so on is 78. This question is similar to the previous question. We need to find out the value of n in each of these cases. In the first one, we have to find out the nth term for which 205 is there in the series. In the next one, we have to find the value of n, that is nth term, for which the last term is negative 47. So as we had solved the previous question, let us solve this question also. A value is 7, first term 7, common difference is 13 minus 7, nothing but 6. An is given as 205, we need to find the value of n. So I'll use the formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to an. First term is 7 plus n minus 1 time of d is 6, which is equal to 205. So n minus 1 time of 6 will be equal to 205 minus 7. We get it as 198. Yeah. So n minus 1 will be equal to 198 divided by 6. So n minus 1 will be 33. So n will be 34. So which means that 34th term is 205. This 205 is 34th term. Similarly, we have to solve the second question. Let's solve it fast. A value is 18. D value is 15 and a half minus 8. We get it as 31 divided by 2 minus 8. So 31 minus 16. Sorry. First term is 18. So 18. So 31 minus 18 by 31 minus 36. So minus 5 by 2. An is given as 47, negative 47. I need to find the value of n. So a plus n minus 1 time of d is an. A value is 18 plus n minus 1 time of d is negative 5 by 2 equal to negative 47. To simplify this, I would like to transpose 18. If you transpose 18, it becomes negative, so minus 65. So n minus 1 will be equal to minus 65 multiplied to, this will be reciprocal, 2 divided by minus 5. This will be 13 times, negative will get cancelled. 13 2 times is 26. So n will be 26 plus 1, 27. So it means that minus 47 is 27th term. Let us solve two more questions before winding up the session. Question number 6 is to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. To check whether this is a term of AP, I have to consider the given A as 11. D will be a second term minus the first term, nothing but minus 3. And I'll take the nth term to be minus 150 and let me find the value of n. If n comes out to be integer, then minus 150 will be term. So let me check whether we get an integer or not. I'll use the formula an as a plus n minus 1 into d. An is minus 150, which is equal to a plus, so 11 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. So minus 150 will be equal to 11 plus 3 minus 3n. So this will be 14. When transposed, it becomes negative 164 equal to minus 3n. So n value will be minus 164 divided by minus 3. We get it as 54 2 by 3. If you observe properly, n is not a positive integer. Therefore, minus 150 is not the term of given arithmetic progression. This is how this type of question has to be dealt. Let me solve the last question for this session. The question is, find the 31st term of arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Suppose if I consider A as the first term, and D as the common difference, then according to this, 11th term is 38, which implies A plus 10D equal to 38. 16th term is 73. This implies A plus 15D is 73. Let me call this as equation 1 and if as equation 2. We need to solve these two equations to get the value of A and D. So for that, let me do equation 2 minus equation 1. We'll be getting 5D equal to 73 minus 38. So D will be 35 divided by 5, which is 7. Consider one of the equation. I'll take A plus 10D equal to 38. In this I'll substitute, so 10 times of 7 will be 38. So A will be 38 minus 70. We get it as minus 32. So the 31st term we need to find. So A31 will be what? It will be A plus 30D. We get it as minus 32 plus 30 times of 7. Nothing but 178. So the 31st term is 178. And here the value of first term we got it as negative 32. That common difference is 7. A31 is 178. That's all for today. We shall discuss the remaining questions of the exercise in the next session. Thank you.